Good morning. It's Thursday, October 12th, 2023. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Checking out the radar at 7 o'clock this morning. Plenty of rain. Pretty much all of Georgia experiencing some rain this morning. A little bit of clearing up in the northwest corner of the state. It looks like most of the rain is going to be out of there up in Dade County and Walker County. But the rest of us, a lot of rain, some heavy rain across Macon, and some heavy showers along coastal Georgia as well. So we're going to continue to watch this system move out. The center of the storm is still kind of moving into southwest Georgia. The bulk of the rain is going to be staying on the front side of this storm. The back side still going to kick up a few showers today, which we'll talk about all that. Let's take a look at temperatures across the state. Pretty uniform, and we may have to load it up one more time. They were right for just a second. Give me just a second. We'll make this happen. All right. This is, there we go. We got 59 degrees in down in Coweta County, 59 in Atlanta, 61 in Albany. It is 73 in Brunswick, so a little bit warmer there, but you can see those temperatures are pretty close together between 57 and 61, so another sign this is one big common air mass that we are dealing with. Let's take a look at the tropics. We'll look out to the Atlantic Ocean. We have a red circle. That's an indicator of tropical depression, Sean. We're expecting that, which was a storm yesterday, tropical storm. We're expecting it to stay a tropical storm into the weekend, but the wind shear had other plans and just kind of shredded the storm up. So we're now at tropical depression. Looks like that's going to continue to dissipate. And then we have a tiny little storm there under the yellow X. Possibility that that could turn into another system, but not a whole lot going on there. Plus, it's going to be running into that wind shear environment, and it's also going to be dealing with some somewhat cooler waters in the Atlantic with the upwelling of Sean. So that storm may not turn in anything, but we'll watch it nonetheless. Let's take a look at the modeling. As I mentioned, you see the center of the low this morning moving onshore into the Florida Panhandle. The bulk of the rain in front of the center. And then as we move that center through Georgia this morning, move it out to sea, you can see on the backside, we're still looking at some showers and thunderstorms in extreme southeast Georgia, but the rest of us will just be looking at a few isolated showers here and there. Not really going to be heavy rain, but it is going to be cloudy all day today. It will be a little breezy as well. Let's head into the afternoon hours, and we see a little bit of clearing as far as the rain is concerned. The storms will be moving off down in the Florida, moving out of South Georgia. Still some leftover showers, mainly in the mid-state this afternoon, and the same as we head into the late afternoon and into the evening hours. So still cloudy skies through the day today, still a few showers overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning. That system kind of stalls out. We start to get a little frontal boundary develop all across the state of Georgia, and then we'll start to push it out as we head into Friday evening. So those showers mainly east of I-75, over toward Augusta, down into Savannah as we move through tomorrow evening. And then Saturday, we'll try to move those showers out, still looking at the possibility of a shower or two along the Savannah River, possibly in coastal Georgia. But the rest of us are going to be a little breezy Saturday morning and a few clouds, but those clouds continue to break up through the day. And the wind shift brings in a northerly flow that's going to be cooler and drier air by Saturday evening, and that really starts to settle in Sunday and really starts to settle in by Monday. So cooler and drier air will be the name of the game as we get started next week. But for now, we have to get this little tropical system out of the way, so still plenty of rain to go as we move through the day today. That's the latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.